In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Lovable. This process is both simple and efficient, designed to get you up and running with your new project environment in no time. Whether you're collaborating on a new project or organizing your work activities, setting up a new workspace can be beneficial for maximizing productivity. Let's dive in and explore the steps together. To begin your journey in creating a new workspace, you'll need to start by heading over to the Lovable dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice the workspace name displayed there, along with a small arrow right beside it. Go ahead and click on this arrow. The interface might look slightly unique compared to other tools, but rest assured, this will grant you access to more options related to your current workspace. With the arrow clicked, a drop-down menu appears. This menu allows you to manage your workspaces, giving you a comprehensive view of existing ones and the ability to initiate new projects. Here, you'll want to click on New Workspace. This particular option is your gateway to creating a fresh project space where you can gather your team, tools, and resources. Next up is one of the most critical steps: naming your workspace. Selecting an appropriate name is not just about identification. It also aligns your project's focus and ensures everyone involved is on the same page. Type the name that best represents your project's purpose. It might be beneficial to choose a name that's both distinctive and descriptive to avoid confusion with any other projects you may have. After entering the workspace name, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts are cleverly designed to make your setup experience smooth and intuitive. Carefully follow each prompt, as they guide you through necessary settings that personalize your workspace according to your project's needs. This might involve setting permissions, inviting team members, or customizing other workspace features. Pay close attention to any additional options provided to avoid missing out on useful functionalities. As you follow through, remember that setting up your workspace efficiently from the start can save you time in the long run, allowing you and your team to collaborate effectively right from the get-go. Once you've completed all the prompts, your workspace is good to go, and you can start adding members, integrating tools, or organizing tasks immediately. Congratulations! You've just set up a new workspace in Lovable. As always, ensure you explore the platform's features to get the most out of your new project environment. Feel free to revisit this guide if you need to create more workspaces in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.